if you are new to my channel, welcome to Sincerely 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐞, and if you're returning to my channel, welcome back to Sincerely 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐞, and I want to thank you for returning to the Daisy Fields with me. So today's video is a bit different than what I normally post. So in case you didn't know, I recently launched an online store with Shopify. My website is www.sincerelydaisy.co. Also, I am doing free shipping on all orders until further notice, so definitely take advantage of that sweet deal. But anyways, again, I just wanted to post a pack and order with me so y'all can see behind the scenes of what it's like to package and order. So all of the packaging items that you all will see in this video, including my thank you cards, the soap labels, and the stickers, I printed all of this at home, guys. I don't have an industrial printer, and I did not want to kick out more money paying a company for stickers and custom labels. So if y'all would like a detailed video on how I created my soap labels and everything else that you see in the video, definitely let me know and I can whip up something for y'all. But anyways, again, since this video is not my usual, I won't do much talking. Other than that, I hope that you guys enjoy the video. So I just wanted to pop in and say, I think I saw a video where the girl was saying she has her name printed on her apron and she official, or she said something like that. But if you look to the right, you can see that my name, Sincerely 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐞, is embroidered on my apron. So that must mean that I am official, yes. And this apron was embroidered by a local small business, local to me, very local to me. So guys, don't forget to shop small businesses and definitely shop your local businesses that are within your community, because it means a lot to them. It means a lot to us. But I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys that Sincerely Daisy Co. is officially official. So, yeah. So let me tell y'all, so if you notice on the top and bottom of the soap label, there's a pattern, and the pattern matches the soap that it is assigned to. So with the help of Canva and of course AI, I was able to create this design so that it could match the pattern of the soap. That's the type of level I am on when it comes to attention to detail for my packaging, because I wanted my labels to be one of one, never done. And if you'd like to know how I did this, again, y'all just let me know and I can make a detailed video and then I can show you guys everything that I did. Now for the second order, for me, it doesn't matter if you order a single bar of soap from me or if you order 5 bars from me. The packaging will be the same for both in terms of my attention to detail. So the packaging will be immaculate, and there is absolutely no doubt about that, because at the end of the day, whether you purchase 5 bars from me or a single bar, I appreciate the support. I'm grateful, thankful, and blessed to even have your business to begin with. So, that's just my thought process. So anyone who has purchased from my store thus far, I want to say thank you. And anyone who is considering purchasing from my store, I still want to say thank you. Thank you in advance. Anyways, y'all, we are getting close to the end of the video. Don't forget to shop my site, sincerelydaisy.co, not .com, but .co. As always, my blooming beauties, I love you guys very, very much. I thank you all so much for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the daisy fields another time. All right, guys, bye.